Tips for creating best Halloween decoration ideas for spooky festive atmosphere. Halloween is a time for costumes, candy, and spooky decorations. Whether you're looking to decorate your home, yard, or classroom, there are plenty of creative and affordable ideas to choose from. From pumpkin carving and tombstone making, to spider webbing and haunted house setups, the options are endless. In this video, we will explore a variety of Halloween decoration ideas to help you create a fun and festive atmosphere for all to enjoy. Whether you're hosting a party or just looking to add some spooky touches to your home, these decoration ideas will help you create the perfect Halloween ambience. Here are a few Halloween decoration ideas that are popular and easy to execute. 1. Carve pumpkins and place them on your porch or walkway for a classic look. 2. Decorate your front yard with tombstones made from foam board and add spooky lighting for an eerie effect. 3. Create a spider web from cotton balls and place it on windows and doorways. 4. Hang up Halloween-themed banners and streamers inside and outside of your home. 5. Set up a haunted house in your garage or basement, or create a spooky atmosphere in a room of your home. 6. Make your own Halloween-themed candles or put battery-operated LED lights inside carved-out pumpkin to create a haunting illumination. 7. Set up a Halloween-themed photo booth with costumes and props. 8. Use black or orange balloons as decorations and include them in bouquets of flowers to place throughout your home. Overall, Halloween decorations are a great way to add a touch of spooky fun to your home, yard or even classroom. With so many easy-to-execute ideas to choose from, you can create a festive atmosphere that will delight people of all ages. Whether you're a fan of traditional decorations such as pumpkin carving and tombstone making, or you prefer a more modern approach with a haunted house setup, there is something for everyone. Have fun decorating and creating memorable moments with your loved ones with these Halloween decoration ideas.